You hear me? Uma makayilungani wakho, baba makayilungani. My principle was down wenzani? Ngikutshela wenzani? Wenzani? Ever try with my parents. Wenzani? You just need any excuse to beat a girl up. You're a bully. You are a bully. Sorry. You are a bully. You are a mean girl. I don't understand. Oh wow. No, really? You're baby. You are not my best. And I'm not because of what I'm not thinking. I need to work on your back. Oh wow. Even if you are not on the back, then your back.
waziphoxa umini ngaze abazali bakhe la bekhona bathini njengoba ingazi ukuthi ugiyela bona uzama ukuprotecta bona allegedly kanti uLondi is clocking it that she would use any excuse to beat up a girl. The way she's so insecure, the way she feels so small, the way she's such a bully. What a loser, hun. Uyanyanyisa. Yazi kuyanyanyisa hibo. How are you a leader emphakathini ngoba phela if unomsakazi we leader emphakathini kodwa you do such heinous behavior kusho ubuphi ubuholi lo benzayo ubuholi omnjani lo benzayo. Hey guys, mina yabona nje indaba zomini sorry nosanda ukuvuka, I just couldn't wait ngivele ngabuka le clip nganyanya. But I'm glad to hear ukuthi uLondi is considering taking legal action against her ngoba she does need to take legal action against her. Akwazi ukuthi umuntu engakuhlambalaza kanje on national TV where millions of people are watching ungenzi lutho sonke izandla and uma wamuntu nezingane uzele. Ingane zaLondi inganyalondi zuthu ingane zaLondi izothini mesebona uma wazo ehlanjalazwa kanje on a national platform kanje. If you don't know the context of what I'm speaking about, ngikhuluma ngoMini, the girl that was the antagonizer kule beginning video, and then ngikhuluma ngoLondi, the girl that was sitting down and was taking it. They are both stars of the hit reality television show Real Housewives of Durban season 5, and they were both supporting cast members. They were not the main cast, they were the supporting cast members. uLondi was a friend of the show, even though there was a point when uLondi was a housewife herself, but due to unforeseen circumstances she stepped down, and she stepped down on season 3, and then she came back as a friend of the show for season 5, if I'm not mistaken. If I step down in season 2, I believe she stepped down. It was season 2 when she stepped down after that season, and then Wabuya, I guess, a friend of the show for season 5. And then uMini and uyaqala nje ukuba kwishow, so ngicabanga ukuthi ekuqaleni kwakhe befuna ukuthi abanikeze as much content as possible, but she did it at her own detriment. There's nothing wrong with wanting fame, there's nothing wrong with wanting a spot on a show, but there's a way to go about it. And uMini bonile ukuthi when people are watching the show babonile nabo ukuthi lo girl lo uzama ngazo zonke indlela zokutrenda, but ukwenza the wrong way. She's doing it by bullying and antagonizing people, some who were there before her, and she had bad publicity, so she opted to not show up for the reunion, but opted to have a sit-down conversation with an ex-supporting cast member, Usane, with podcast yakhe to basically address the way she was treating uLondi this season, basically, and address why she couldn't show up to the reunion. Mina ngibona ngazi ukuthi she didn't show up because the whole of Mzansi is gunning for her, and she knew ukuthi uMaPlay was going to hold her accountable, and she knew she was going to be bengiyazi ukuthi uzothini, because it's so obvious ukuthi vele wrong. Ayikho into engayidefenda because vele wrong, bedile beyibully, utshengisile nje ukuthi umuntu othandayo ukuthi abukwe ngabanye abantu, utshengisile. And it was just so disgusting to watch, like watching a bully in HD. But it was good because now Umini can watch this and reflect and hopefully change for the better if she doesn't lose her job. But mina nje ngifila ngazi ukuthi i-title yakhe emsakazweni kumele aphuqwe yona ngoba ngathi useyithwele ekhanda, and ukuthwala ekhanda kwawo uyisebenzisa ukuxwasa abanye abantu. There was even a point where uPenny Ntulu alleged yabo kwakusolakala ukuthi umini kwangaziwa ukuthi uyena. She alleged ukuthi a friend of hers awayesakaza nayo heard ukuthi she got a sponsorship from a particular car dealership. And then they gave her a brand ambassadorship. They gave her a motor to drive around, and that Msakazi / friend called the dealership to check ukuthi is that true. And Upenny Ntuli was alleging ukuthi lo friend kwangazi ukuthi uthi umini yabo kwakusolakala. But now seeing umini in HD, ngiyabona ukuthi chances are high ukuthi she would do that, because she's just a disgusting human being. Like what kind of behavior? Ungazudinwa kangaka umuntu ethe ugqoka ingubo yamaphiko nje kuphela, manje-ke the whole episode usulokubukisa ngayo uqale ngo-Precious, wabona ukuthi she's not getting energy from Precious, wamuva waya kuLondi. Kusho ukuthi besayitshelile ukuthi this season ngifuna ukutrenda, ngifuna ukuthi bangibize as i-main cast member, so I'm gonna do anything noma yini ukuthi ngibizwe. Kanti-ke i-anything yakhe uhambiselana nokuthisa abanye abantu omhlungu. You know, it shows ukuthi sabantu, guys, the way we interpret izinto shows our true character at the end of the day. Because that anything could have been anything. You know, you could have been more kind, you could have been more giving, you could have shown your personality in the highest light. But when you choose trending abantu, that shows the character yakhe ukuthi kahle kahle nje vele umuntu othandayo ukubuka ngabantu. And it's so disgusting. Yo, kade ngiyanyisa bakithi. And I'm so glad ukuthi uLondi, she kept her composure and wangenza lutho, did not hit umini back. Wayihlalela wayibukela, because now kuyabonakala ukuthi inkinga umini akusiyena, allegedly. So what do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section, and please subscribe for more of my videos. But alternatively, please press like if you agree with me, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Oh, and don't forget to watch a reunion of Real Housewives of Durban. That aired on the 11th of July 2025. It's on Showmax. And I'm so glad my player is holding Umini accountable even in her absence, and everybody's on Londi's side. I'm so glad justice is served, you know, and I wish Londi carries on with that case, and then Umini that's not a whole. Hi guys, my name is Asanda Katsi, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you my views and takes on what's happening globally, basically trending and entertainment topics happening globally. I forgot completely to introduce myself at the start of this video. I was so taken aback by the logo and basically just the video in itself. But this is me just saying hi, just giving a small introduction on who I am. I forgot to introduce myself at the beginning. But ultimately, hi, thank you for watching until right now. Please do subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more of my videos, and please do interact with my page, because there's so much more that I'm going to put on here. And thank you so much for watching, man. Like, I just needed to introduce myself because I forgot to. Much love and have a beautiful day going forward, or night. Goodbye.